What if I told you that the world's largest asset manager just filed to tokenize $150 billion on the blockchain? Meanwhile, AI tokens are exploding 45% in a week, and one token triggered $55 million in liquidations after surging 228% in a single day. This is Crypto Pulse, and I'm Alex from Moonward Capital, bringing you the most critical developments you need to know right now. Hey, Crypto fam. Welcome back to another Crypto Pulse update where we break down exactly what's moving the markets and how it impacts your portfolio. If you're new here, we deliver these comprehensive updates twice daily to keep you ahead of the crowd. Today we're diving into BlackRock's massive tokenization announcement, the AI token surge that's reshaping the market, and a wild liquidation cascade that caught traders completely off guard. Let's get straight into it. Let's start with the overall market picture. Bitcoin is currently testing the $94,000 resistance level, down about 1% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum is down slightly more at 2.3%, currently trading at $1,784. The total crypto market cap stands at $1.87 trillion, with Bitcoin dominance at 64.7%. But the real story is in the sectors. AI agents are exploding with a 45.5% weekly gain. Data tokens are up nearly 24%, and LRT tokens showing strong momentum with an 11.5% increase. Meanwhile, social fi is facing a sharp decline, down over 14%. Now for our headline story, BlackRock has filed with the SEC to tokenize its $150 billion Treasury Trust Fund using distributed ledger technology. This is absolutely massive. The world's largest asset manager will issue blockchain-based DLT shares through BNY Mellon, requiring a minimum $3 million investment. This represents the largest single tokenization initiative in financial history and signals mainstream institutional adoption of blockchain technology. The move builds on BlackRock's earlier success with its BILLION fund, which became the largest tokenized fund within just 40 days of launch. The AI agent sector is absolutely on fire right now, with an incredible 45.5% weekly gain that's dramatically outpacing every other category. Projects like Virtual Protocol are seeing explosive growth with trading volume exceeding $600 million daily. This surge coincides with increased integration between AI and blockchain technologies, creating intelligent digital assets with utility beyond mere speculation. Token 2049 Dubai, which kicks off today, is expected to feature major announcements in this space. In one of the wildest stories of the week, ALPACA Finance has skyrocketed an astonishing 228% in just 24 hours, triggering over $55 million in liquidations with $45 million coming from short positions alone. The explosive move began after Binance announced its delisting on April 24th, creating a perfect storm as funding rates flipped from negative to positive. ALPACA surged from just $0.029 to as high as $1.22 before retracing to 59 cents, with trading volume exceeding $735 million, more than 8 times its market cap. This extreme volatility has made ALPACA the most liquidated asset in crypto over the past 24 hours, surpassing even Bitcoin and Ethereum. Another fascinating development is the housing narrative gaining serious momentum. Housecoin has surged 34% to reach $100 million market cap as the housing affordability meme gains traction. One trader reportedly turned $239 into $2.2 million through early house accumulation, fueling retail interest. While primarily speculative, the token taps into widespread frustration with traditional housing markets by offering a meme-driven, blockchain-based alternative. On the infrastructure front, we're seeing significant developments with both Base and Scroll achieving Stage 1 decentralization. Base has implemented fault proofs and a 10-entity security council requiring 75% consensus for upgrades. Meanwhile, Ethereum developers have removed the controversial EOF upgrade from the upcoming Fusaka hard fork while proposing a 100x gas limit increase over 4 years. This signals a shift toward prioritizing L1 scaling over L2 solutions. So what does all this mean for your portfolio? BlackRock's move represents institutional validation at an unprecedented scale, potentially triggering a wave of similar announcements from other financial institutions. The AI token explosion shows the power of narrative-driven markets, but be cautious of the extreme volatility we're seeing with assets like ALPACA. Consider taking partial profits on tokens showing parabolic gains while positioning for the growth of RWA infrastructure that could benefit from BlackRock's tokenization initiative. If you found this update valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for our twice-daily Crypto Pulse updates. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on BlackRock's tokenization move. Is this finally the bridge between traditional finance and blockchain technology? Is BlackRock's tokenization of a $150 billion fund the catalyst that finally bridges TradFi and DeFi? Or will extreme volatility events like ALPACA's liquidation cascade continue to deter institutional adoption? Let me know in the comments. This has been Alex from Moonward Capital with your Crypto Pulse update. Stay ahead of the crowd, and I'll see you in 12 hours for our next market breakdown.